I made this beautiful ball dress with just 1 yard of Ankara print fabric, doll face, 2 nets, and my lining and zipper. And I achieved all the fullness I need for this dress without a hard net. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to attach your zipper to your ball dress the good way, the neat way. If you want good finishing on the inside of your dress, do stick around and watch this video. Now I have my flare part and my 2 nets. I have 2 parts of my 2 net. I also have my lining part, which is the doll face, and also the regular lining for the upper part. So now I'm using 1-inch allowance to join each part of the bottom part of this dress. So 1-inch allowance, and I will stop at where I want my zipper to stop. So I'll just sew from the bottom all the way to the top, and I'll stop after the waistline. So I'll do the same thing for my net. I'm going to join them one after the other. I do not want this to be bulky, and I also want the inside to be very neat. So I'm just going to be joining this one after the other. So make good use of your pin and pin this down and leave the part where you want your zipper to stop. Now flipping this dress to the right side, I'll also close up the flare part with 1 inch. I will stitch this down and also leave the part where I'll be attaching my zipper. Firstly, I'll be sewing my zipper on the Ankara print fabric. So here's my zipper. I'll be attaching it to the Ankara print fabric first, and later come to show you how to turn that part with your lining. So I'm just going to take this to my sewing machine, and having done that, this is what the zipper is looking like. You can see I attached this all the way to where I want my zipper to end, and this is the lining part separately. I'm going to be using this lining part to turn the zipper so it has a neat finish on the inside. I'm going to take my lining and make it face my zipper as shown, and I will use my pin to secure this in place. Making use of this method can be very stressful, but it gives your dress a neat finishing on the inside. So I'm just going to pin this down carefully, my lining facing the zipper part, and when I'm done sewing, this is going to be very neat on the inside. Now when I want to sew this lining to my zipper, I'm going to use the same line in which I attached my zipper to the Ankara print fabric. I will be using the same line to sew this so that the space will not be too wide between my lining and the zipper. So after joining this lining to my zipper without sewing, I'm going to show you what the zip area will be looking like. After joining the first part, I'm going to take the second part of the lining, facing the zipper, and I'll be pinning this down. Now after joining together with my zipper without sewing, this is what the inside of your zipper will be looking like. The inside of your dress, this is what it will be looking like. So I'll take this to my sewing machine now, and I'm going to sew my lining. Now after sewing, this is how neat this dress came out. So this is how easy it is to attach a zipper to your dress. It might not be that easy if you're trying this for the first time, but with practice you can be able to achieve this. So this will be all for this tutorial. Did you like the video? Should I make more videos like this? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed watching this video, do give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and also leave your comments in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe before leaving and turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time I upload a new video. I made this dress for a 6-year-old, and if you want me to list the materials I used, or you want me to make a tutorial on how I did this, do let me know in the comments.